slow cooker peppers, and sausage recipe. Hungry? You're in luck. Today's recipe is a total treat. Let's start by preparing our ingredients. 1.5 pounds. Italian sausage, mild, spicy, or mixed. Cut into chunks or left whole. 3 bell peppers, any color, sliced into strips. 1 large yellow onion, sliced. 3 cloves garlic, minced. 1 can, 14.5 ounces. Diced tomatoes, undrained. 1 tablespoon tomato paste, optional for richness. 1 teaspoon dried oregano. 1 teaspoon dried basil. Salt and black pepper to taste. 1 tablespoon olive oil. For browning sausage, optional. Here we go. Let's get started. From start to finish will take about 6 hours. 1. Optional, brown the sausage. In a skillet over medium heat, lightly brown sausage pieces in olive oil for 3-4 minutes. This adds flavor and better texture, but it's optional. 2. Layer ingredients in the slow cooker. Place sliced onions and bell peppers at the bottom of the slow cooker. Add garlic, diced tomatoes with juice, tomato paste, herbs, salt, and pepper. Add sausage on top, or nestle in between the peppers. 3. Cook. Cover and cook on low for 6 hours or high for about 3 hours until sausage is fully cooked and peppers are tender. 4. Stir. Serve. Gently stir before serving. Serve over rice, mashed potatoes, hoagie rolls, pasta, or just as is in a bowl. Serve over rice, mashed potatoes, hoagie rolls, pasta, or just as is in a bowl. Little tricks that make a big difference. Don't skip browning if you want deeper flavor and a firmer sausage texture. Add red pepper flakes for a kick of heat. Make it saucier by adding extra tomato sauce or marinara. For more tasty recipes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a bite. See you next time. Enjoy your meal